In today's video, I will teach you how to quickly change the color of any object in photos using AI. Let's get started. Changing the color of objects in your photos used to require hours of editing, but with AIs, you can recolor clothes, hair, or just about anything else in seconds without any design experience. So head over to AI's Recolor tool. On the web page, you'll see options to either upload your own image or use one of the free sample images available on the site. After uploading your image, look at the left panel to choose your method. The first is the auto mode, which is fast and easy. You can select the object from predefined categories like hair, top, pants, dress, or skirt. And if your object is not listed, you can select other and type what you'd like to recolor. Then you can pick a new color from a predefined palette or choose the custom option and type in your desired color. And here, you can also use a hex code. Now click Generate to apply the new color, and the process takes about 10 seconds to finish. And if you prefer more precision, you can switch to the manual mode. Here, you can choose the selection tool like the brush, which is adjustable from 5 to 300 for accurate edges, and rectangle, which you can click and drag to highlight the object. You can also resize or rotate the rectangle with corner handles. Now choose the eraser tool to refine your selection if needed. Then choose your desired color, just like in the auto mode. Then click Generate and let the AI handle the rest. Once the new color is applied, you can review your changes. And if you're happy with it, click the download button to save your photo directly to your device. With AI's AI-powered Recolor tool, you can simply change the color of clothes, hair, and objects in any photo, perfect for fashion previews, product mockups, or creative edits. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.